into Pure Maths 1, February, March 2025, question number 9 until question number 11. Question number 9. A curve is such that d square y over dx square is equal to negative 6 over this, and the curve is a stationary point. So when they say stationary point, you must know that just write here first. So my dy over dx equivalent to 0 when x equal to 1 over 2. You must know this at point 1 over 2. Okay, come. Let's go to the question. Use the expression for d square y over dx square to determine whether the stationary point is a maximum or minimum. So when you want to do the stationary point, so these are the key ideas. So we will substitute the point x coordinate 1 over 2 inside the equation. And if we got d square y over dx square more than 0, okay, then it means it is a minimum. Okay, whereas if we got d square y over dx square is less than 0, then it is maximum. Okay, so you must know this. Okay, so we just substitute when x equal to 1 over 2, so d square y over dx square is equivalent to 6 over 1 over 2 power of 4 minus 5 1 over 2 power of 3. So you press a calculator, you will get 56. So 56 is more than 0, therefore 1, 2, 9 is minimum point. Okay. So B, find the equation of the curve. So here you got d square y over dx square. So you need to do 2 times of integration in order to find the equation of curve, because you can measure curve will be y. You need to find the y. Okay. So we integrate this first. So when you integrate for the first time, so you will get, so dy over dx is equivalent to integral of 6x negative 4 minus 5x negative 3 dx. Okay, so it's going to be, when you integrate, it's going to be 6x negative 3 over negative 3 minus 5x negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. Okay, so we need to find the c, and what we know, if you just now we said dy dx equal to 0 when x equal to 1. Okay, you can use this idea, dy dx equal to 0 when x equal to 1 over 2. So here negative 2 over 1 over 2 cube plus 5 over 2 1 over 2 square plus c equivalent to 0. Therefore, negative 6 plus c equivalent to 0. So c equivalent to 6. Then in order to find your y, we integrate our this. Okay, so I can just write back here. So dy over dx is equivalent to negative 2 over x cubed plus 5 over 2x squared plus 6. So in order to find my y, we're going to integrate negative 2x negative 3 plus 5 over 2 x negative 1 plus 6 dx. So y equivalent to negative 2 x negative 2 over negative 2 plus 5 over 2 bracket x, sorry, it should be negative 2, negative 1 over negative 1 plus 6x plus c. Therefore my y is equivalent to 1 over x square minus 5 over 2x plus 6x plus c. Using the coordinate here, 1 over 2, 9. So we substitute when x equal to y equal to 9, x equal to 1 over 2 square minus 5 bracket 2, 1 over 2 plus 6, 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, so it's going to be 9 equal to 2 plus c, so c equal to 7. Therefore, my y is equivalent to 1 over x square minus 5 over 2x plus 6x plus 7. Okay, so please take note, if the question gave you is a second derivative. So in order to find the y, you need to do 2 times of integration, and please take note, each time you do integration you have to include the c. You have to find the constant at the particular time. Okay, let's go to question number 10. So the diagram shows that the equation find the value of x such that 0 to 7, the tangent of point at P 7, 0. So here this point is 7, 0. Meet at y-axis at a point Q. Find region A bounded by the curve and 2 axes, and region B bounded by the curve and the line segment Q and y-axis. Okay, fine. Find the region A. So in order to find the region A, so we just directly integrate of the curve from 0 to 7. It's quite easy and straightforward. So it's going to be integral from 0 to 7 for 3x plus 4 power of half minus 2x minus 6 dx. So the integral is going to be 4 3x plus 4. So 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, 3. So if you still remember, just write in this color, integral ax plus b power of n dx will be ax plus b power of n plus 1 over n plus 1a. Okay, let's see. So here my a here is 3, so I just multiply with 3. Okay, and then minus 2x square over 2 minus 6x from 0 to 7. Okay, so you sub in, it's going to be, so we press this in calculator, will be 8 over 9, 3 times 7 plus 4, 3 over 2 minus 7 square minus 6, 7. Minus 8 over 9, 3 times 0 plus 4 power of 3 over 2 minus 0 minus 0. Okay, so you press this in your calculator, you will get 181 over 9 minus 64 over 9. So your final answer is 13. Okay, for B, find the area of region B. So in order to find the area of region B, I need to find the whole area first, the area of triangle. The area of triangle, okay, minus the area of region A. Okay, so in order to find the region of area A, so I need to find the Q coordinate, so I can use the triangle formula, easy for me. So in order to find that, I need to find the equation of QP. So now we attempt to find equation of QP first. So it's a straight line. So in order to find the gradient of PQ, we can use the differentiation of the function. Okay, so we find the attempt to find the gradient of PQ first. So my dy over dx, it will be, so the equation just now is, okay, I write the equation first. Let me find the equation. I write the equation first. So y is equivalent to 4 3x plus 4. So 3x plus 4 power of half minus 2x minus 6. Let me check first. Yes, correct. Okay. So in order to find the gradient of PQ, so we differentiate this equation first. So your dy over dx will be, so we bring the 2 in front. So 1 over 2 multiply 4 multiply with 3x plus 4 power of negative half multiply with 3 minus differentiate 2x, you'll get 2, differentiate 6, you get 0. So it's going to be 2 6. So 6 over third 3x plus 4 minus 2. So at x equal to 7, because it says the tangent is at 7 when x equal to 7. So when x equal to 7, my dy over dx will be 6 over third 3 times 7 plus 4 minus 2. So you press a calculator, you get negative 4 over 5. So we just find the equation of PQ first, literally. So y equal to negative 4 over 5x plus c. In order to find the c, we use the coordinate 7 0, because it's passed through this particular coordinate, we use the coordinate. So when x equal to 7, y equal to 0, so 0 equal to negative 4 over 5 7 plus c. So c will be 28 over 5. So literally the c here is actually y-intercept. So I can say this coordinate will be x equal to 0, y equal to 28 over 5. Okay, so now you can see this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle where this distance is 28 over 5, the length, and here is 7. So you can use the triangle formula. So it's going to be the area of triangle. So area of triangle will be 1 over 2 multiply 28 over 5 multiply by 7, which will be 98 over 5. Okay, so region B will be 98 over 5 minus area under the curve, which we get it from question A, 13. Okay, minus 13 is equivalent to 33 over 5. So, so region B equal to the area of right angle triangle minus region A. Okay, so now we go into the last question. The function f and g is defined by this, where c and k is a positive constant. So it's a positive constant. It's given that k, given that g inverse equal to this. Okay, so we just try to find the g inverse first. So gfx is going to be, we find gfx first. So it's going to be g is 2 fx, so 4x squared minus c plus k. So it's going to be 8x squared minus 2c plus k. And if you notice here, the question here does not have anything in terms of c. Okay, so we need to replace the c here. So we can utilize from here. So it's given that G inverse 3k plus 1 equivalent to C, where from the question we can say it GC. GC is equivalent to 3k plus 1. Okay, because we bring the inverse to another side, GC. So it's going to be GC is 2c plus k equivalent to 3k plus 1. So 2c equal to 2k plus 1. Okay. So since here is 2c, I just substitute in. It's easy for me. So it's going to be 8x minus 2k plus 1 plus k. So 8x square minus 2k minus 1 plus k, so it's going to be 8x squared minus k minus 1. That's it, we show. Okay, and question B, the following, the curve of the equation 8x minus k minus 1 is transformed with the equation y by the following sequence of transformation of 2 3 stretch in y direction and also reflect in x-axis. Express hk in term of x and k. Okay, it's good. So since we go for the translation. So it's going to be y equivalent to 8. So x move 2 unit to the right. So it's going to be x minus 2 square. Okay, so here x2 means it moves 2 units to the right. So if it is 2 unit to the right, it's going to be x minus 2 minus k plus 1, and y move 3 unit up, so we go plus 3. Y is plus, y is minus 1 minus, so its output will be 8 x minus 2 square minus k plus 2. Okay, after the translation, this is the equation, and the graph is stretched in y direction by scale of factor of k. So it's going to be y equal to k fx. I just label this as fx, it's easy for me. So it's going to be ky is going to be k multiplied with 8, I'm sorry, k multiplied with 8 x minus 2 square minus k plus 2, and then reflected on x-axis, so it's going to be y equal to negative kfx. So it's going to be negative ky is going to be negative k 8 x minus 2 square minus k plus 2. Therefore, your hx is, you can multiply in, it's easy for you if you want. So it's going to be negative 8k x minus 2 square plus k square minus 2k. Okay, and then the question said the range of h is given by hx less than 15. Let's say equal to 15. So let's say this is the maximum turn graph because it's a negative 8k. So it's a maximum graph. It's something like this. Oops. So it's a maximum graph. So, and this point will be 2k square minus 2k. 2k. Okay, so since they said hx less than 15 means this value is equivalent to 15. So it's going to be k square minus 2k equivalent to 15. Okay, so let's remember this. So your k square minus 2k minus 15 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, it's going to be k minus 5, k plus 3 equal to 0. So k equal to 5, k equal to negative 3. Okay, and if you still remember in the question earlier on the top part here, the question clearly mentioned where c and k is a positive constants. Therefore, we reject this. We reject. Therefore, k equivalent to only 5. And in order to find the c, we can utilize back whatever we have here. 2c equal to 2k plus 1. So 2c equal to 2k plus 1. So c equivalent to 2k plus 1 over 2. So c equivalent to 11 over 2. Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you.